To kowere mago mag yiero mobendo bro mi report moko bang'e ni koro kweth mar Azimio la umoja ramo ni ka kwe dwarore to koro nyaka ratire ma nyaka tel. Magi weche mane giwacho odiochieng' manyoro e seche mane gintiere Kibra kane giloso to kod jopiny. Kotelegi kanyo to kod jaod bura Georgia Ladwa TJ Kajwang' to kod jotelo moko gilero ni ka doho koro dhi chako winjo bura mane gichwale doho odiochieng' mano makiny to gin gadier ni jo Kenya biro ng'eyo adier mago mabende kono notimore e kinde yiero.
We want to set an example that Kenya is a diadem in the face of Africa. And so I carry my hand and I say to the 7 justices that thousands and thousands of Kenyans are watching. Thousands and thousands of Kenyans are watching how you dispense justice. Whether you will make a difference or whether you will turn us into Somali. Whether you will make a difference or whether you will turn us in Algeria. Whether you will make a difference or whether we will go to Mali. Because when these people you see here do not have opportunity to do democratic things, the result is disastrous. And we don't want to be exiles in our country. Awacho bagodi chieng. Mondo ginge ni piny tek, piny otimore nade. Samiling, kik ng'ato par ni samiling timor, donge. Kari nyiero, tinyiere, donge. Omiyo giwe tuko kodwa.
Wewe mwenyewe umeshindwa kufanya kazi yako, unajitoka pale, unaanza kujigamba ati wewe ulijua. Nani alijua? Sasa Wakenya wanaweza kujiuliza, watatu wale ni wanasema ukweli au wanne wale wanasema ukweli? Ukweli iko wapi? Where is the truth between the two groups of commissioners? Somewhere there's a truth. What I'm asking for as Raila Amolo Odinga is to be told the truth. And this is not just because of the elections of 2022. It's for posterity. We don't want to go into an election and see the kind of charade that we're seeing today. Mr. Shebukati, the chest thumping the other side with his 2 other commissioners, and then the other 4 commissioners this other side. It's a shame.